Oh, look here. Welcome back, y'all.
Welcome back to Neil RC, guys. We are back for yet another beautiful video. Hell yeah. But anyway, as you can tell, the last race did me not so good. You can tell there's some stuff missing here, right, y'all? Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, I'm holding it in my hand. I'm missing some of my side plates. They kind of got broke. So, yeah, I had to do myself a solid and get some more parts. So, today, on this wonderful little video, this shouldn't take too long, okay? I got some plates for the said Losi to replace these bad ones. Ordered them right from Losi. Make it easy. I wasn't going to try and fight the deals. You know, there wasn't a whole lot out there for options other than colors, and I really didn't care for the colors too much. So I kept with the same solid black. Just in case you're looking for those in black, there's the number. That number is LOS-1892 from Losi.com. It is a, they say it's wing panel set black 22S right there on the package. And this is what we're going to get. We're going to get some hardware, a couple of different sizes. We're going to get our front plates. We're going to get the front wing. We get wheel covers, which are these here for these. We're going to get the side covers, both sides. There's two pieces in there. And then we're going to get the main wing mount, which is sitting right here in the middle, which I don't need this, and I don't need this, or this piece back here. I just need this piece and this piece. So that's what we're going to work on. Just that simple. So I'm going to take all this other stuff right here, slide that all out of the way, and I know that in here I have the hardware right here to put back across here and down here to remount the wing. So here we go. And yes, just so you are aware that I have the new stickers for those here. Oh yeah, sitting right here in front of my face. Right there. A whole brand new sticker sheet. Does the whole car. Yepper. So we're going to be able to redo the stickers on the vehicle. So we bring it back to life of what it was. At least that was the option that I wanted to take. So here we go. That's the square one. This is the rounded one. The soft edge one, because they do make a difference. So we're going to put the other lid back over here with the spare parts. We're going to grab this, and this will go like so, with a new sticker decal. And then we got the short plate that goes here. That is also got, if I'm not mistaken, I thought it had, maybe it didn't have on this one. This one here may not have had the cut angle on it. I don't know. I'd have to actually find those pieces. But yeah, just to be verified. But I think they just go like so with their new sticker. And they both look like they are the same. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and put these on. Grab the stickers out of the sticker pack. Slap them on. And we're going to make this video done also. So let's get to it. We need the a 2.0. And we need to put that all the way down so it don't move. And then I'm thinking we might want to go ahead and actually put these stickers on first. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to get these stickers on here first, get that knocked out of the way before I put this on there, because I think those screws have had to go through once you get the sticker laid on here, the screws have got to go through both pieces. So let me go ahead and get those stickers pulled out, and we'll go and do a wham bam kind of thank you. All right, there's the front wing piece on, and now we got the sticker laid on the back piece for the roof. And now that one's going to go somewhere right about there, and pick that off. And of course we got to put these in behind here. One that sits back here, and the other one sits right here for the screws to dig into. So let me go ahead and get this piece on. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to cover up the 22, seeing how my number is 72. I'm going to get the big black sticker out of the package, which I do have right here. I just got to get it out and cover that up and place that black piece over, put my 72 back on here, and we'll basically not even know that there was a difference in the actual product itself. So let me hop to that and I'll be right back. All right, well, there's the 72 all done up. Now I know this is going to be a little awkward for you guys, but I have got to see what I'm doing. And yes, this may be a little weird, but I'm going to set this thing probably on its side. Something about like this. And then I've got to find my holes. There's one. There's two screws. Come down here. Place one there. And one in there. like so. And then we take these pieces, and then we got to slip them up in there. Hoping that's actually taking. I can't feel the screw yet. Yeah, it's not. That's not taking. That's not going in that hole, y'all. Not at all. And I know it's supposed to. Let's see if I can't give it some sturdiness by putting these bottom ones in. These bottom ones shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, that's how we're going to do it. We're just going to get these bottom ones in here to help hold it in place. Just like that. I don't know about you guys, but some of you guys probably wouldn't be like so worried about it. But me, on the other hand, last week was first time on a clay track, and I don't think I did too bad with coming in the way I did. And I'm trying to see, and I ain't seeing. So let me get these on, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Oh, there you go. It's done. And I'm not going to lie to you. This, replacing this stuff, okay, you got to have a little bit of patience. Don't let it get the better hand of you. Because these things right here, those 4 screws across the bottom, the 4 screws across the top, are an absolute pain in the tush. Yeah. I'm trying to keep it family friendly. Yeah. The butt. It was a pain in the butt. Those that long plastic piece that fits here and here, getting all 3 of them to line up and not being able to really see, especially back in here, was not an easy task. But it's done. It looks like a brand new car again. And listen to that. That thing will sit there and spin and spin and spin and spin. I love what Losi did with these bearings. Now my job is to keep them spinning just like that. So yeah, we got some quasis in the back right now for the traction for the rear, and of course they have been covered in and pre-soaked again with the dysfunctional juice. If you really want to know what this is about, I've got a couple of videos ago I did an advertisement for him on this. I'm impressed. This stuff, I don't know about you, but this stuff actually works and works pretty dang good. I like it. So, and I've used it on my rock crawlers. I have used this on these cars, my wife's car. I mean, it has made such a huge difference to our race scene. It just blows my mind. And no, I'm going to tell you right here and now, there are other topical stuff that you would put on your rims or your wheels and let them soak kind of thing. Doesn't compare. This beats every one of them. Every single time. Dysfunctional juice. You can find it on eBay. He is working on Amazon, trying to get it on Amazon. He's also trying to get it to go on to TikTok. But I will also link him in the description below. It is Dysfunctional Family. Awesome guy. KP Racing, Dysfunctional himself, Kevin. There's, oh my God, there's so many. C-Arc, absolutely wonderful people. The wife, she's another one. Absolutely beautiful people. And of course, Michelle, she's in the scene, back behind the scenes. She's the one that's doing a lot of the photography or photos and stuff like that. Some of the videos that she had taken, you will see on her Facebook page and Dysfunctional Juice Facebook page. Dysfunctional Juice, you can find him on Facebook. Underneath the Dysfunctional Family. You'll also be able to find him on YouTube, and he is going to be linked below the video. I appreciate y'all. I thank you very much. His juice and everything will be linked down below. We do appreciate everything. There's the new side for the race. It won't be this weekend because it's going to be a washout. They got rain coming here. It's already raining outside. That's why I'm in here doing what I'm doing. And mind you, it's only looks like it's about 8:30 right now on a Friday. So yeah, we ain't going anywhere. We thank you all for stopping by and checking on us. We will see you real soon, and hopefully we'll see you on the track.